Good morning, friends. Vijay here. I welcome you to the wonderful world of Vestige. Today, we are going to discuss few of the frequently asked questions about company. Vestige is the company which is started in the year of 2004 with the two office and two products with six distributor. Today, we have more than 2 crore distributor base in India, more than 40 plus branch office all over the India, and more than 2500 DCC and DLCPs are available all over the India, and more than 300 plus products are available in Vestige. Vestige is today international company. We have our office in Dubai, Nepal, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Thailand. Now we also started in Ghana. Very soon we are going to open in Cameroon and few more countries. So Vestige aim to open minimum 20 countries before end of 2020. And Vestige aim to open minimum 50 countries by the year of 2025. How to join Vestige and what is joining procedure? Anyone above 18 years can join with Vestige. There is no joining fee, no renewal. At first time when you purchase 30 PV, your ID will be activated for lifetime distributor ID. After joining with Vestige, you will get one unique distributor ID along with the password. Using that password, you can log in our official website myvestige.com, where you can track your PV, BV, bonus and your downline details. Everything you can track from our official website myvestige.com. What are the type of income available in Vestige? In Vestige, 9 way of income available. One is saving and consumption, 10 to 20%, performance bonus, 5 to 11%, special bronze director bonus, 4%, business building bonus, silver director and above, 14%, leadership overriding bonus, 16%, travel fund, 5%, car fund, 5%, house fund, 3%, elite club bonus, 2%. What are the levels in Vestige? In Vestige, when you join as a distributor with Vestige, your level is 5%. In your team PV 600, and your level is 8%. Your team PV reach 2400, your level 10%. When your team PV reach 5500, your level 11%. So once you reach 11%, you have to maintain 2000 PV in a single month to qualify your bronze director level. In your downline, one bronze director qualify, then your silver director. When two bronze director qualify, your gold director. When 3 bronze directors qualify, then you are star director, and 4 people qualify as a bronze director, you are diamond director, 6 people qualify as a bronze director, you are crown director, and 8 people qualifies as a bronze director, you are universal crown director, 12 people qualifies as a bronze director, then your level is double crown director, 16 people qualifies, your level is double universal crown director. Do we have mobile app for Vestige? Yes, we have mobile application for Vestige to track our business, our Vestige business on the go. Using Vestige mobile apps, you can do joining, you can place your order online, you can track your courier, you can check wherever the office is available, you can join people from anywhere, any country. So everything can be done using our Vestige mobile app. What are the mobile app that I need to install for Vestige? For Vestige, Vestige online shopping mobile app, Vestige POS, Vestige Best Deal. All these mobile app are available in Android phone and iPhone also. So you can find from Google Play Store and Apple App Store also. Using shop.myvestige.com, also you can do joining, you can place your order, you can update the DAF, KYC, everything can be done. The website name is shop.myvestige.com. Using your distributor ID and password, you can log in our Vestige mobile app, myvestige.com and shop.myvestige.com. For all, same distributor ID and same password. What is DAF? DAF, distributor application form, which need to be signed by the distributor and submitted in Vestige office. Now you can submit the DAF online also. Which document are required for KYC? As per Government of India guideline, if you are joining as a consumer or distributor, you will have to submit clear attested copy of the following to activate your distributor ID as address proof: Aadhaar card, driving license, voter ID, passport. Any one of these. To update your bank detail, PAN card, bank passbook or cancellation check leaf. Do I have to renew the distributorship? No, there is no renewal. It is lifetime ID. Can I use my distributor ID for other countries? Yes. Vestige distributor ID is an international ID which can be used to do business in all the countries wherever Vestige office are available. How do I know monthly offer details? Visit our official website myvestige.com or our Facebook page to find monthly offer detail. Go to www.myvestige.com, news, go to offers. Here you will find your monthly offer detail. In Facebook, Vestige Marketing, Facebook page, here also you can find a monthly offer detail and regular updates you can find using our official Facebook page. What are the official social media links for Vestige? These are the following links for Vestige official social media. Follow this link to get regular updates. How do I place my product order online? Yes, you can place your products order online using the following 3 ways. 1. Place your order using Vestige mobile app. 2. Place your order using shop.myvestige.com, or you can use email order. How to place email order? First, transfer money to Vestige account and send a mail to your nearest branch office by attaching the distributor ID, address where the courier should reach, and product detail. Send an email to nearest branch office. They will bill and they will send you the courier to your address. Can I place product order for my team members? Yes, you can place product order for your downlines also using the same about 3 methods. Vestige mobile app, shop.myvestige.com, or email order. You can place orders for your team members also. How do I know where is my nearest Vestige office? You can find your nearest Vestige office from our official website myvestige.com, or you can find your nearest branch office using your Vestige mobile app also. Go to myvestige.com, in branches, Vestige branches. So here select country, in which country you want, and select which state you want to find, and then select which pin code wise you can select. How do I get Vestige product catalog price list? You can download the following from our official website myvestige.com. Vestige product catalog, Vestige distributor price list, voice magazine, health guide, Vestige success plan, leading ladies book. So everything you can get from official website myvestige.com. Go to downloads. From here you can download. How do I get Vestige international product catalog and its price list? Vestige have separate website for each country. Go to the respective country's website. You can download the following from our website. Click on the flag and here you will find the country flag and click on the which country you want to open the website. So when I click Saudi Arabia, now I am in Saudi Arabia website. Go to download. Here you will find the Saudi Arabia product catalog, Saudi Arabia product price list joining form. How do I receive my monthly bonus? You can update your bank detail with Vestige. Then every month, the 10th, you will receive your bonus in your bank account. We require PAN card and bank passbook or checklist to update your bank and PAN detail with Vestige. You can directly update your bank and PAN detail when you log in with myvestige.com. When you log in with myvestige.com, there you will find one tab, Bank PAN Request. Click on this bank PAN request. It will redirect you to the another page where you can fill your bank detail, PAN card detail. Is there any minimum PV required to receive my monthly bonus? Yes, from 5% to 10% you need to maintain minimum 20 PV as self PV. From 11% above you need to maintain minimum 40 PV as self PV to receive your monthly bonus. What happens to my bonus amount if I am not able to maintain this minimum PV? Your performance bonus will be added in your Vestige account and the same will be transferred to you when you maintain your self PV in the coming months. What is PV-BV ratio in India? Is the same for other countries also. PV is the point value, BV is the business value. PV-BV ratio in India 1:18. PV-BV ratio in Dubai, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Oman 1:28. The PV-BV ratio may be different in other countries. The bonus payout in all countries will be calculated based on their respective PV-BV. How do I get product and marketing plan knowledge? We conduct a regular meeting and training. Once you become distributor with our team, You can fix one-to-one meeting or join our team meeting to know more about Vestige opportunity. Watch our CNT presentation video to know more about Vestige. How to find new prospects and how to start Vestige business. Start writing name list, which should include your friends, relatives, and neighbors, and start the business. Approach your upline or the super upline of your sponsorship line. Your uplines are always ready to support you and guide you to know how to develop the business. Watch our NDO video, new distributor orientation video to know how to start Vestige business. How can I register new distributor in my team? Collect the following detail from new members to join with Vestige: name, date of birth, address, city, state, PIN code, mobile number, email ID, ID proof. You can register new distributor using Vestige mobile app or shop.myvestige.com. How to update DAF and KYC of my downline. DAF, distributor application form, KYC, know your customer. You can update using Vestige mobile app or shop.myvestige.com. Is courier service free? For joining new members, courier is free all over the India. For repurchase, if the order amount is less than 4,000, then 65 rupees will apply for courier charge. When the order amount is more than 4,000, then courier is free all over the India. What is Vestige system? Vestige system is very simple and most essential for success in Vestige. It has 7 steps which need to be followed daily. Consume the product, share the product, make a list, invite the people, share the opportunity, teamwork, follow up. What is fast at 8%? Normal procedure to reach 8% level, 600 PV is required. When a distributor does GPV, group PV of 282 PV in a single month before reaching 8% level, they are qualified as fast at 8%. Also, they will get rupees 800 worth of gift product from company. If a qualifying distributor has a downline also qualifying for fast at 8%, then the upline has to maintain personal 282 PV or from other lines. What is super fast at 8%? If 3 of your direct downline achieve their fast at 8%, then you will be qualified for super fast start. You will get rupees 1000 worth of product as gift. What is fast at bronze director? The normal procedure to reach bronze director level, 5500 PV required. If anyone 4500 PV in a single business month, they qualify for fast at bronze director. What is accumulation PV? Vestige provides accumulated PV feature in its business plan, which means your point will not reset to 0. It will carry forward every month and you will move forward towards your next level based on your team performance. Example of how accumulation works. First month you are doing 2000 PV, your level is 8%, your total team income is 2880. Second month also you are doing same 2000 PV. What Vestige says, your previous month 2000 PV, current month 2000 PV, accumulation of 4000, your level get increased to 10% and your income is 3600. Third month also you are doing a team PV 2000 PV, but because of accumulation, the previous month 4000 PV plus current month 2000 PV, 6000, your level get increased to 11%, your income also increased to 3960. So every month you are doing same 2000 PV only, but because of accumulation point, it get increase your level and income also. It is for example, if you can do in a single month, you can, or 2 month, or 4 month, or 6 month. Either way, if you start doing regularly and your point will get accumulate, add on month, and one day you will reach to qualify for your royalty income. What is LOB and who will eligible for LOB? LOB, leadership overriding bonus. LOB is payable to silver director and above. To qualify LOB, you should have personal purchase of 40 PV from 5625 PV from your single downline group with qualified bronze director. What is travel fund? Vestige provide travel fund to silver director and above. You can use this amount for foreign trips. In Vestige, there are 2 foreign trips every year. One is for silver director and above. Another one is for diamond director and above. So Vestige provides 5% of the company's global turnover as travel fund. What is car fund? Will Vestige provide me the car? To qualify car fund, you should reach star director level and maintain star director level for 3 months continuously. Then you will be getting car fund of your lifetime until you maintain your silver director level. So the car fund amount will get accumulated in your Vestige account until you purchase car. So you can use this car fund amount to purchase the car as your own. What is house fund? Is Vestige provide me the house fund? To qualify house fund, you should reach crown director level and maintain crown director level for 3 months continuously. Then you will be getting the house fund for your lifetime until you maintain your silver director level. House fund amount Vestige will transfer along with your monthly bonus every month. What is Elite Club bonus? Who is eligible for this? Elite Club bonus is one of the new income which Vestige announced from their 16th anniversary with maximum capping of 20 lakhs per month. Double crown director and double universal crown director are eligible for this Elite Club bonus. Can I encash my travel fund, car fund, house fund? Your travel fund and car fund will be in Vestige account itself. You can use travel fund to go for foreign trip. You can use car fund to purchase your car. Once you purchase your car, and Vestige will transfer your car fund every month along with your bonus. House fund amount will be transferred with your bonus every month. If you have any urgent need of money with valid reason, you can encash your travel fund and car fund if required. I forgot my password. How do I get my password? In Vestige, we have IVR system. Using our toll-free number, you can know your PV, your bonus, your password, your current month bonus, current month offers, everything you comes to know when you call with our toll-free number. Or just give a missed call from your registered mobile number and you will get an SMS. Use this following number to get your password or current month bonus, updated PV, monthly scheme or your voucher as SMS. What is Vestige Best Deal? Vestige Best Deal is the e-commerce portal, and through the Vestige Best Deal, we have 100% genuine products. Vestige Best Deal is going to be one-stop platform to all your needs. If you have any more questions or if you need more details, please contact your upline or contact the person who shared this presentation with you. We are from Vestige Online team. Thank you.